it's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another banger video. You know, for the new people, hello, how are you? Don't mean to yell. I just feel really good right now, honestly. Like, this is my natural, everyday inspired makeup tutorial. Now, this one isn't necessarily drugstore friendly. This is affordable but not drugstore friendly. So basically what I'm saying is I got some of these products from, you know, at Sephora, Ulta, so they're not necessarily drugstore, but they are super affordable. I have coupon codes if you guys need it, and I hope it is easy to follow. Y'all, like what do I even say? Like, period. All right, so if you like this makeup look and you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching. Alright y'all, so the key to bomb makeup is flawless skin. So if you guys want my skincare routine, just comment down below. Y'all already know. Now right now I'm using my favorite hydrating primer. This is literally the bomb. Like, I just got my hands on this and I literally cannot miss this step. Every time I do my makeup, I need to put this primer on. It really gives you this glowy, dewy look, and it's very lightweight. I freaking love it. Oh, that's it. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Alright y'all, so next up I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation. First time I used this foundation, I didn't like it because it is super full coverage. As you see, I pulled out a little bit of that foundation, and that's going to take me all the way. Like, it literally covers my whole entire face. So be very light-handed with it. I had to learn how to use it properly. I sped up the clips just a little bit here, but I did want to keep showing you guys like how I blend this into my skin. I keep blending on one side until it looks completely like skin and it looks flawless, and then you'll see me gradually bring it to the next side. Also, I do not neglect my neck. You really don't want to have two-tone going on. Also, you guys will see here, I don't add foundation to my forehead. I like to use the excess foundation left on my sponge. I don't know what it is. I don't like foundation on my forehead like that. So whatever's left over my sponge, then I'll cover my forehead. Now we're going in with my Juvia's Place concealer. Now, I don't know what it is about Juvia's Place, but you have to be so light-handed with their products. Like, it is so much product that comes out. Like, y'all see that little bit of concealer? It literally spreads like butter. Like, it goes completely across my face. Like, I don't really like the too much makeup look, but y'all see that little product is literally going straight across my face. I take so long to blend it out because it is very light. It's a highlighting concealer that I'm using, so you know, it takes a little time to blend it out. But Juvia's Place, y'all, you get a bang for y'all buck. Now with my Mercier's setting powder, and people was coming for me in the comments about how I pronounce that, but I'm just using that to set under my eyes. I use that powder under my eyes, and then you'll see for my face I use a darker setting powder, the Sacha's Buttercup. I like that for my face. It just, you know, it's just, I don't know, it looks better in pictures in my opinion. Next up, my favorite part, contouring. Black Radiance contour palette, baby. Like, I had tried a contour palette from the hair store. It was alright, but this is honestly my favorite. Like, it is so pretty. I love that contour color. I'm in love with it. So I'm just bronzing up my face because I think that's my favorite part of this look. I love having a warm face. Y'all, don't mind me, I really be feeling myself, but I'm going to take that contour color, the same color I used previously, and I'm going to put that in the crease of my eyes just to bring some warmth and some definition to my eyes. I'm going to clean up my lips. Now, the 25 milliliter lashes. Some people hate when I wear these. Like, I really be getting comments like, oh, it look like you got spiders on your eyes. Why are your lashes so long? Your lashes scared me. Listen, the bad bitch lifestyle ain't for everybody. Like, I love these lashes. Like, no shade, no tea, but I just really like big lashes. So here I'm just lining my lips with the hair store lip liner. It's just in dark brown. I'm going to pair that with some lip gloss. I didn't even do like a lip color. I just mixed those colors in, and it's going to give me like that ombre brown effect. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes, okay? So this was actually the first loose highlighter that I've ever purchased, and I thought it would be hard to use because you have to be very light-handed yet again from Juvia's Place. But every loose highlighter is like that. It could be very blinding. So I just did like a natural glow, you know, still a little poppin', but the natural glow. And now the inner bad bitch has been released. Like, edges on kind of swoopity-doo, like low-key, sort of, like, okay then. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video, and I really hope this video was easy to follow. Like, I hope it wasn't like all over the place or moving too fast. I wanted to do a voiceover and not a talk through, because I feel like when I do talk throughs I ramble a lot, because as you guys saw from my intro I rambled a lot. So I feel like doing a voiceover I kind of get straight to the point of what I want you guys to see, and you know, things of that nature. And I also changed my editing just a teeny weeny beanie, because I used to cut a lot of things out and kind of just show foundation, concealer, baking, but now I actually kind of let stuff ride. Like, you see how I pat my face in and all that, you know, good stuff that you want to see. This is really like it. Like, I really do like this look. Now it's up to you guys if you guys want me to recreate my drugstore friendly makeup tutorial, basically just making this makeup tutorial more affordable. Let me know down below, because I can do this exact look but just using literally $5 products, $10 products, things like that, you know. So if that's what you want, let me know. If you just came from the makeup tutorial, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos, please. That gets me so far. Like, share them. Like, share them. Be like, sis, like, I've seen, like, you know, you just look like you would like this makeup tutorial here type stuff. You feel me? So yeah. But for people that want to stay just a little longer for the video, I just wanted to say that for my channel, I really feel like I haven't been giving you guys my all and like showing you guys my true me. Like you know, I really want to just give you guys better content. So like, you know, just bear with me. I have more bangers to come. Like, I'm so serious. Like, I love you guys so much. Like, I just felt like a disconnect from you guys for a little bit, but I don't want to feel like that anymore, and I'm ready to put my all into this. So yes, I love you guys so much. And yeah, like I told the other people that left before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Like this video if you like this video. If you think this video is a banger and you're like, yo, sis looks good, highlights popping, contour on, then like this video. Simple. I love you guys so much. Like I said, bye guys.